Hey, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another pond fishing video. Today I'm joined by Jimmy and Ethan, and we are just fishing our own little pond, trying to catch some bass, because the other day when we were out here, Ethan caught like a 3 and James caught a 2, I caught a 1, so that was very fun. So we're just gonna be flipping all these shaded areas with some soft plastics. Yeah, so let's get to it. So this is my first time using a Bandito Bug. I've never used one before. It feels really nice. I'm just gonna rig it like I did Creature Lure, and just like that, it's ready to go. Oh, I think that was a bite. Oh, that's a bite, yeah. Got him. Oh, little guy. All right, that's my first fish of the day on the Bandito. Yeah. All right, yeah, I just felt him nibbling at it, but as I was saying, I was just working it on the weeds. Just pop it out, just like that. Thanks for biting, buddy. Nice. That little guy tore this thing off the hook, so I just gotta redo it. Okay, so far this Bandito Bug is performing pretty well. Alright, but the only way to really test this is to put it against giants. I'm just reeling it in and popping it off the ground. Since it's got the weighted head, it's gonna have a very nice motion if you can manage to get the weeds off of itself. Then it would become a very good bait. Ah, okay. Oh, got one. Yes. All right, it's better size than the first one. All right, come on. How big are you? All right, I'll take that. Second fish on the Bandito Bug. Beautiful. There we go. All right, thanks, man. Got one. Hit right at the bank. Saw him do it too. All right. See you, buddy. Wow. Okay. Got him. Yes. Oh yeah. Ooh. Nice one. Yes. I knew him. I knew he was gonna be here. All right. That's another fish. All right, on the Bandito bug. Knew there was fish in this little pocket. Just wanna pop this out like that. Thanks, buddy. Wow, all these fish are very chunky. The Guggen bait Bandito bug was one of the best soft plastics I've ever fished. It's got this slender profile that allows it to just dive between the weeds, which I really like. But the downsides of it is it's hard to fish it with a split shot because it gets a lot of weeds stuck on it. So that's one downside, but overall, very nice bait. I want to thank Ethan for giving me a chance to use his lure. Thank you so much, Ethan. I hope you guys enjoy this video because this is going to be my last one for like a month because I'm going to go off to somewhere. So enjoy this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. And as always, fish for the adventure.